In this video, I'll guide you through how to import a customer list in Wave Accounting. Importing customer data can save you time and keep your records organized, so let's dive in and simplify the process together. To get started, you'll need to open a blank spreadsheet in Google Sheets. If you're new to Google Sheets, don't worry, it's a user-friendly tool that's widely accessible. Simply open your browser, navigate to Google Sheets, and create a new blank spreadsheet. This is where we'll set up the structure needed to import your customer list into Wave Accounting. Once your spreadsheet is open and ready, take a look at the top toolbar. You'll want to focus on the Extensions menu. Click on Extensions, and from the drop-down, hover over Wave Connect. In the Wave Connect submenu, select Upload Customers. This action will trigger the Wave Connect extension, a helpful tool that bridges your spreadsheet with your Wave Accounting data. After selecting Upload Customers, you'll notice a new panel opens up on the right side of your spreadsheet. This is the extension bar, your command center for setting up and managing your data import. In this panel, you'll want to click on Prepare Input Sheet. What this does is automatically build a structured data grid within your spreadsheet. This grid comes with validation headers, ensuring that all your information is formatted correctly and ready for import. Next, it's time to populate your spreadsheet with your customer data. Carefully enter your customer details into the provided grid. Make sure to double-check the information you enter. Accuracy is key here. Any errors in the data can cause issues later on, so it's worth taking a moment to review everything thoroughly. Once you've entered all your customer information and verified that everything is correct, it's time to move forward. Click Continue in the extension panel. This step essentially confirms that your data is verified and ready to proceed to the next phase of the import process. Now, you need to select your targeted corporate account. In the Wave Accounting extension, you'll see a drop-down menu labeled Business Profile. From this menu, choose the corporate account that you want to import the customer list into. It's important to select the correct account to ensure that your customers are added where you want them. With your corporate account selected, you're ready for the final step. Click on Upload Customers. This action will initiate the import process, transferring your carefully prepared customer list from Google Sheets directly into your Wave Accounting account. It's a seamless process designed to make managing your finances easier and more efficient. And there you have it, a straightforward way to import a customer list into Wave Accounting using Google Sheets and the Wave Connect extension. By following these steps, you can keep your records up to date and manage your customer data effortlessly. Thanks for watching, and happy accounting.